Good morning, beta. Let's continue with the revision of MCQs of your chapter Cube and Cube Root. Yesterday we have discussed MCQs of square and square root and rational number. Now let's continue with the MCQs of the chapter Cube and Cube Root. First MCQ, as you can see that, which of the following is correct? Cube of a negative number is always positive. Cube of a negative number is always negative. Cube of a negative number may be positive or negative, yeah, all of the above. Yes, which of the following is correct? Yes, Akul.
Ma'am, cube of a negative number is always negative.
Yes, second part is correct. Okay, second part is correct. Cube of a negative number is always negative. Next is, if the digit in the ones place of a number is 2, then the last digit of its cube is, if the number is having 2 at its last place, then its cube will have last digit as, yes, Samiksha.
8. The option 8.
Which option?
The option. Fourth option.
Fourth option, D option, that is 8. Okay, good. Next is, if the digit in the ones place of a number is 7, then the last digit of its cube will have, yes, Prabsharan.
Ma'am, third answer is third option 7.
Okay, very good. If the number is having 3 at its last place, then its cube will have 7. And if the number is having 7 at its last place, that its cube and cube root will have 3. So both are reverse of each other. If the digits in the ones place of a number is 6, then the last digit of a cube will have, yes, Arish?
Yes, ma'am, 6.
Yes. Wherever 4 or 6 is there at its last, 4 will give you, if 4 is there at the last place, then its cube will give you, if 6 is there, then the last digit of its cube will have 6. If the number is having 4 at its last place, then what will be the last digit of its cube?
Ma'am, 4.
4, okay. So we have done this. The number is having 1, 9, 4, 6, 5, then their cube will have the same digit. Okay. Now the next is, the volume of a cubical box is 64 centimeter cube. One cubical box is there whose volume is 64 centimeter cube. Then which of the following is its size? Because 4 is there at its end, 64 is ending with 4, then its cube root will have 4 at its end. So the answer is second part. Can you tell me the formula for the volume of the cube? Can you tell me the formula for the volume of the cube? Yes, Shravan. Yes, शब्द बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am, 243.
What?
Ma'am, question repeat kar do.
Asking about the formula for finding the volume of the cube. Formula for finding the volume of the cube. Yes, Harman.
Yes, ma'am.
Formula for beta finding volume of the cube. That is side into side into side, side cube. The side cube is given as 64. When you remove the cube, it will become cube root on the another side. So cube root of 64 is 4. In the question number 6, which of the following is a perfect cube number? 10,000, 243, 343, 2,70,000. Which of the following is a perfect cube number? Yes, Harman. Which of the following is a perfect cube number among these three? These four. Is 10,
243.
243. What about 343? Is it the cube of any number? Yes, check it out. Hurry up, make the factors of 243 and 343 and tell me which of the following is a perfect cube. Hurry up. 243 and 343. 243 is not a perfect cube number. 243
Ma'am, 343. 7 cube.
7 cube. So the answer of the, better don't speak of the direct answer. You please solve it so that no mistake will be there. So please solve this. Make the prime factors of the, actually first number is having 4 0. Fourth option is again having 4 0. The first and fourth option will not be the answer. So you have answer between second and third. And between these two, you will make the factors, then you will go for the answer. So the answer is 6th part, third option. 7th question, if a number is doubled, then which of the following is the correct statement? Who is doing this? Yes, next is if a number is doubled, then which of the following is the correct statement? Its cube is 2 times the cube of the given number. You take small example, like 2 is there. अगर आपने 2 का डबल किया तो क्या हो जाएगा? 4. 2 का डबल करोगे 4 हो जाएगा. अब आपके पास दो नंबर है, 2 है, एक उसका 4 है. 2 का क्यूब क्या होगा? 8 और 4 का क्यूब क्या होगा? 64. तो बताओ क्या कितना डिफरेंस आएगा? 2 का क्यूब किया, 2 का क्यूब किया आपने, yes, look here, I have written 2, cube of 2 is 8 and 4 cube is 64. पहले नंबर था 2, उसका डबल हो गया 4. 8 का पहले क्यूब था, 2 का क्यूब 8, अब 4 का क्यूब बन गया 64. What is the relationship between 8 and 64? What's the relationship between 8 and 64? It will become cube is 2 times, 3 times, 6 times or 8 times. 8 का क्या किया जाए कि 64 बन जाए? It will become, it has become 8 times. So the answer of this part is 4th option. That is 8 times. The cube has become 8 times. You can check the answer, 7th question, 4th part. So answer is correct. Next is, which of the following is equal to its own cube? We have done similar type of question. Can you tell me the two numbers which are, can you tell me the number which is same as its cube? There are two numbers which are same as exactly their cubes. Who will answer me? Yes, Sanvi. Sanvi.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Andy.
Ma'am, -1.
Yes, can you tell me another number which is same as its cube? Except this -1, do you have any another option? Not from this. Can you tell me any other number which is same as its cube? That is 1. 1 cube is 1 and -1 cube is again -1. So the answer is -1. Which of the following is the cube root of 27,000? Which of the following is the cube root of its Cube root of 27,000.
Ma'am, first option 30.
Yes, actually it is having odd number of zeros, so it is a perfect cube number. 27 का cube root होगा 3. 3 out of these 3 zeros, you will take 1 zero out of the root, that is 30. Okay, beta. Next is which of the following is the cube root of minus 64 upon 243? Make the factors of 64 and 243 first, then check it out which of the following is the cube root of this. Hurry up. Yes, answer of this 10th question is
minus 4 by 7.
is 7 cube 243. Yes, Arish.
मैम 7 का क्यूब तो मैम 343 होता है मैम। हमने ना इसके फैक्टर्स बनाने हैं और फिर हमने -4 इंटू -4 के नीचे इसके फैक्टर्स लिखने हैं 243 के।
कितने क्या है 243 का फैक्टर?
मैम 1 मिनट 20।
3 you are getting how many times?
मैम 5
times. So 243 is not a perfect cube number. So I think some correction is there in the question. So instead of 243, it should be 343. So the answer will be fourth option. After making this correction, the answer will be fourth option. Then only you will take the square root of 343. And the answer will be this. Okay. Now the next is the sum of the squares of the two number is 145. If the square root of one number is 3, find the other number. It is little bit different. Leave it. Start the next. Square of 23. What is 23 square? Make the square
529.
529. That is first option 529. 23 into 23 is 529. Which of the following would have 1 at its unit place? 81 square, 18 square, 54 square, 95 square. Actually, it is having 1 at its last place. So square
51
of
square.
number will have 1. The number which is ending with 8, its square will contain 8 8 the 64. It will end with 4. 54 square, 4 4 the 16. Its square will end with 6. 5 is there, so its square will end with 5. Find the greatest 4-digit number which is a perfect square number. If you remember the similar type of question we have done in the NCERT book, who will tell me the solution, how you will solve this? Who will tell me the solution? Hurry up. Yes, Samiksha. Diya, Tanisha, Jia. Yes, anyone from these 4 students? Yes, Tanisha. Can you tell me the suitable method to solve this?
Excuse me मैम।
Yes.
मैम इसको मैम हमने ग्रेटेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर लेना है 9999। मैम उसके फिर जब हमने लॉन्ग डिवीजन से मैम उसका करना है तो फिर जो एंड में रिमाइंडर आएगा मैम हमने उसको माइनस कर देना है 999 में
Why
से।
we are not adding? Can we add something to 9999?
5 डिजिट हो जाएगा मैम, फिर
Yes.
उसके मैम वो बंद करना।
If we add something like the smallest number 1, if we will add, it will become a 5-digit number. So this question is not for the addition, it is for the subtraction. So that's why the remainder that you are getting after the long division method, that should be subtracted. So its answer is 9801 is the greatest 4-digit number, which is a perfect square. So can you tell me the next question? The square of which of the following would be odd number? You know the property, the square of the odd number is odd, the square of the even number is even. So out of these, you can check which of the following is odd. So square of that odd number will be odd. So answer is 431 because rest of the three numbers are all positive. Between 50 and 60, the perfect square number is. Do we have any perfect square number between these? Among
ma'am.
these three, 56, 55 and 54? Is there any perfect square number?
No.
No, because these three are not perfect square number. They are not the answer of the two numbers after multiplication. What is perfect square number? When you multiply the same natural number with the same natural number, the answer you are getting is the perfect square number. And the another name for the perfect square number is square number. This we have done here. Can you tell me this formula? 1 minus x square. If you had studied this, did you remember? I hope you haven't done this type of formula. Which is the greatest three-digit perfect square number?
Ma'am, 961.
961 because it is 31 square. And 32 square is 1024. That is four-digit number. So 961 is the greatest three-digit number, which is the perfect square number. Can you tell me the four-digit smallest perfect square number?
Ma'am, 1024.
Yes, because 31 square is 961 and 32 square is 1024. So 1024 is the smallest four-digit number, which is a perfect square number. Yes, Radhika? Radhika? What will be the number of digits in the square root of 25600? For this, beta, what you will do, number of digits you have to tell me. Please make the pair. After making the pair, after making the pairing of two numbers from the right hand side, we have formed three pair 1, 2, 3. So its square root will contain 3 digits. So the answer of this question will be 3 digits. When a square number ends in dash, the number whose square it is will have either 4 or 6 in the unit place. So if the number is ending with 4 or 6, then its square or square root will have 6. You all know 6 6 are 36 and 4 4 are 16. So both are ending with 6. So the digits will be 6 here. What's the perfect square number between 30 and 40? You can check it out. Between 30 and 40, you have 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Only 36 is there, which is a perfect square number. And between 50 and 60, we don't have any other perfect square number. Yes, do this question. By which smallest number should 90 be multiplied to make it a perfect square number? 90 को किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें कि ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर बन जाए? हरी अप, do this. By which number 90 should be multiplied to make it a perfect square number? Make the factors of 90. Whatsoever digit is missing in the pair, that will be the least number to multiply this. Yes, Ananya.
Ma'am, 2.
2. You are saying 2. When you multiply 90 with 2, you will get 180, and 180 is not a perfect square number. Have you got the factors of 90? It should be 10. It should be 10. It will become 900, and the square root of 900 is 30. So by which smallest number should 90 be multiplied? That is your 10. What's the length of the side of the square whose area is 441? His area is given. You have to tell me the side of the square. That the side of the square is given by square root of 441. Yes, Janvi?
Ma'am, 21.
Yes. You will find the square root of this number by prime factorization or by the long division. Okay? And make sure that you are getting the correct answer, then you will take. What will be the number of zeros in the square of 60? What's the square of 60? Yes, Shabad. Yes, Samiksha.
Ma'am, 2 zeros.
Okay, can you tell me the square of 60?
1200.
No, no, no. What do you mean by 60?
3600.
3600.
Yes, 3600.
3600.
3600. 60 into 60 is 3600. So 2 zeros will be there. Which of the following is a perfect square number? Did you remember about this property that a number that is ending with 2, 3, 7 or 8 will never be a perfect square number? So in the option 2, 3, 7 is there, so they are not perfect square number. So third option is there, 1, 6, 8, 1, that is a perfect square number. By what least number should 1008 be multiplied to make it a perfect square number? Hurry up, get the factors of this number and tell me the smallest number that should be multiplied with this. Hurry up.
Ma'am, 7.
7. Can you tell me the number after multiplying it with 7? What does it become?
Seven zero five six.
Yes. And what's the square root of 7056? Make the square root of 7056 by long division method, or factors you have already got, you can directly multiply and take the 1 factor common from each pair. In this manner also you can get the square root. Yes, hurry up. Samiksha.
Ma'am, 86.
86. Okay.
Ma'am, 84. Yeah.
84 आएगा.
Ma'am, 84.
ठीक है, चलो. What's the square root of 529? ये किसका स्क्वायर है? 23 का. अभी हमने फर्स्ट पार्ट किया था. Find the square of 23, that is 529. So square root of 529 will be 23. What will be the number of zeros in the square of 100? 2 zeros are there. We will make the square of this. Then, if you will make the square of this number, it will have double of this zero, that is 4 zeros will be there. Without adding, can you tell me the sum of these numbers? How many odd numbers we have written? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 5 numbers, so its square will become 5 square, that is 25. Yes, Samiksha. Janvi.
Ma'am, 441.
Ma'am, 441.
Oh,
Ma'am,
why
441.
rest of the numbers are not perfect square?
Ma'am,
Because
because any number ending with 837 cannot be a perfect
will
square
not
number.
be the perfect square. What will be the number of zeros in the square of 9,000? Yes, Arish. What? How many zeros will be
6.
there in the square
Ma'am,
of 9,000?
9,000. So ma'am, 6 zeros.
6 zeros will be there. So if you make the square of 9,000, it will have double of 3 zeros. That will be 3 plus 3, 6 zeros will be there. Is it okay? Any doubt? Yes, this fifth. Which of the following is neither positive nor negative rational number? So you all know 0 is neither positive nor negative. The second option is correct. Which of the following is the multiplicative identity for the rational number? Multiplicative identity, that is 1. And 0 is the additive identity. 0 is the additive identity, 1 is the multiplicative identity. Which of the following lies between 0 and -1? Can you tell me which of these will lie between 0 and -1? 0, we are talking about between. 0 will not be the answer. -3 is less than -1. It will not be the answer. 4/3 is greater, so it can't be the answer. So third option, that is -2/3. When you divide this, you will get -0.6. So -0.6 will lie between 0 and -1. Which of the following is the reciprocal of A? Which of the following is the reciprocal of A? Reciprocal of A is 1/8. Any doubt, beta?